Harley-Davidson has unveiled select models from its 2025 motorcycle portfolio, available now at authorized dealerships worldwide. This reveal also marks the introduction of the Harley-Davidson Factory Custom Paint and Graphics program, which allows customers to personalize their bikes with exclusive, factory-applied paint schemes. These models are now accessible globally through authorized Harley-Davidson dealers, and additional 2025 models, including the Custom Vehicle Operation (CVO) collection, will be revealed online on January 23, 2025. Harley-Davidson continues to push the boundaries of innovation and customization with this new offering, ensuring riders get a unique look alongside top-tier performance and technology. The 2025 lineup includes key models within the Grand American Touring and Trike categories. The Grand American Touring bikes are designed for long-distance travel, combining comfort, performance, and modern technology to enhance the cross-country riding experience. Iconic models like the Street Glide, Road Glide, and Road King Special will return for 2025. These motorcycles cater to riders seeking an immersive, luxurious journey across various terrains, emphasizing smooth rides with advanced infotainment systems and rider comfort features. Trike motorcycles, stability and comfort. For riders who prefer a three-wheel experience, Harley-Davidson also offers the Trike models. These bikes provide added stability and confidence, appealing to those who enjoy the open road but with the reassurance of a three-wheel platform. The 2025 Trike lineup includes the Road Glide 3, Freewheeler, and Tri-Glide Ultra, each offering unique features suited to different rider preferences. Whether you prioritize touring comfort or a more compact, nimble three-wheeler for everyday use, Harley-Davidson has something for everyone in the Trike segment. Harley-Davidson Factory Custom Paint and Graphics Program. One of the most exciting new offerings for 2025 is the Harley-Davidson Factory Custom Paint and Graphics Program. This program allows customers to personalize their motorcycles with eye-catching, premium paint and graphics options, applied directly by Harley-Davidson at the factory. These custom finishes are available on select models and are backed by a full factory warranty, making it an attractive option for riders seeking unique, standout designs without the hassle or downtime of aftermarket custom paintwork. For 2025, the program offers 3 distinct paint schemes, each designed to provide a bold, premium look. The Mystic Shift paint offers a mesmerizing color shift, transitioning from dark gunmetal to purple, blue, and orange, visible especially in bright sunlight. This color scheme creates a striking visual impact, adding an element of movement and depth to the bike's appearance. The Firestorm paint scheme draws on classic custom trends, featuring a ghost fade or inner fade effect on the flames, which appear dramatic at certain angles but subtle at others. Available in 2 distinct variations, Midnight Firestorm and Whiskey Firestorm, these paint options offer riders a choice between a dark, charcoal-flamed base and a deeper orange shade with vibrant ember sunglow flames. Pricing and availability. The price of the select 2025 Harley-Davidson models, including those with the new factory custom paint and graphics, will vary depending on the specific model and paint options chosen. While exact pricing for individual models isn't specified in the release, Harley-Davidson traditionally offers competitive pricing across its range, with some models starting at approximately $22,000 for entry-level touring models and higher for customizations and premium models. As for the factory custom paint and graphics program, pricing details will likely depend on the model selected and the specific customization chosen, with premium finishes adding to the cost of the base motorcycle. Conclusion: Harley-Davidson's commitment to innovation and customization. Harley-Davidson continues to exemplify the spirit of adventure and freedom, offering riders the opportunity to embark on journeys in comfort and style. With the 2025 lineup, including iconic models like the Street Glide, Road Glide, and Road King Special, Harley-Davidson ensures that every rider can find a bike that suits their needs and preferences. The new Harley-Davidson Factory Custom Paint and Graphics program takes personalization to the next level, allowing riders to stand out with exclusive finishes applied by the company itself. These bikes, along with the returning Trike models, showcase Harley-Davidson's commitment to delivering high-performance motorcycles that are as unique as the riders themselves. For more information and to explore the full 2025 lineup, visit h-d.com.